drum rolling. Grace and peace, I really hope this finds you well and in good spirits. About Themba Lukele, otherwise known as Uskimi, are tuned into Rings and Bearings. Khulile manje. Sesitholakala na le go DSTV singawubani sina. Sinto zobani kwasho mavest. Vandag ngene surprise embi ngwalo mfana ngimthathela umfana wami la kunenyawo thike athi mfethu wakhulela lapha phansi komthunzi wamasendami. So akusinhlamba isizulu ukuthi umfana esendelami. Yeah, umfana wami lo engimkhulisayo straight and umfana engifuna ukumtrainer. In the next few years mawumbona nawe ngiyacabanga ukuthi somthatha simbize nje ngogift sithi use gift kube use harmony. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me a great pleasure and an honor to introduce to you Mr. One and only Harmony Mpele.
Yes.
So Mpele khulu nontana uzo introduce yena samself mfana banike lento engufundise yona. This is my right hand man officially. Abantu bahlala babuza ukuthi behind every successful man there's this successful woman. There is this man. This man I am who I am. This man, he always makes sure he creates a hedge of fire around my life. We don't totally pressure. They mutuka every day. Ngama tongues. Harmony, please introduce yourself, my good sir.
Oh man, thank you, Chairman. Sanibonani emakhaya ngowegama yimina njalo. Harmony Mpele, upele khulu onontando udlambulu ulanga lokulonkombi ithombigazo. So face ondaba ezitha ngithi bayede kunina lapha emakhaya, yeah?
Salute.
Yes.
Yeah, the man une profile yakhe he's still very young, single and available at the same time.
I can agree to that.
Harmony, there's one part engifuna ukuqala ngayo straight. Ngifuna ukungena kuyo and la ngiqala khona is a very uncomfortable truth because people they always ask questions. Simon, why ubani ngathi kunobu soft and nice? Khabe kuno soft and nanas. Yini ngathi unongoloza ngavele yathi ndoda asiyele nale. When people ask you, Harmony, because Lento, it's a very sensitive one, and maybe I might be bashed for this one, but I would rather die for the truth and nothing but the truth, because abafane ngibakhulisayo ngikhulisa amadoda qinqo umuntu ozwama imele nabeli iqiniso uyangazi ke wami nikhuluma kanjani. Harmony, sikhuluma ngobulili, sikhuluma nge-sexual orientation, and a lot of people have been saying, Harmony ngathi kinobutanga, why ngathi soft anyana? And the Harmony for the better part of my life must. You would never get angry. He says, please call me. Abesa tingazile bahleba laba. It's imbalance bese ayivula yena. Yeah. Even eskele when they would come with that subject. Uthini mawukhuluma nabo?
I don't know. The other time I think for the greater parts we've never really understood the young men that grow up in tune with themselves, that know who they are. Where there has never been a confliction of any sort with sexuality, with identity, with anything. It has always been a thing of, because mina ngizalwa newele, I have an identical twin brother. For those that know, we're on TikTok, we've shared our story, but I was always that very soft one. Ngidlala ngabhola, bengiyinkomo, ngidlala tennis at some point, I stayed feds. So already the thing followed around, I mean, from primary school to even high school, ngenzi SKL at some point. So I mean, abantu bebenokuyibheka riding and be like, "Ay man, wena awuqinanga fandi what?" And must be bheka liyasendlini. Yona ke uphuma silwe manje. Iyalwa liyasendlini. Mina I've always had a smart mouth, and I think for the greater part of my life, my smart mouth has put me in the rooms that I am today. So I've never really had an issue with it, but it was always to remind them, Ngeti, I don't have to conform to the ideas of what manhood is to you, but I can always lead my own life and live my own life the way that I see best for myself, but it has never really been an issue. It's neither here or there.
Yeah. So oringayo vele uyikhulumela and say uyabhibhidla inkosana bese uyahleka nawe uthi I know.
And futhi ngikhuluma ngezandla.
Yeah.
Enye into futhi ebashaya kakhulile ukuthi mangikhuluma namanje ngikhuluma ngezandla. So I mean if you were to look at my lifetime, yazi mina ngiphilile impilo and ngiphila nje kunje nangomusa kaNkulunkulu, and for the conviction I have ngempilo yami kungomusa kaNkulunkulu nezinto engidlule kuzona nabantu basekhaya, so that I get to sit here and really get to inspire maybe to just show a different perspective to what many think is right or wrong, or maybe stay neutral and not know nothing.
Because this is not a scripted interview. And I want to challenge you and stretch you too thin. I know you'll allow me. A lot of individuals, bayabheka and say, man, we have seen Mr. Lukele. I remember Utahi Magaloga busy. Ati lo mfethu uphethe some solid PR and marketing team. There is no way this man into yakhe flawless and polished. Akhuluma isilungu lesa big up Tahi. So and ngayimamela lento kuba ngathi lo muntu ukhuluma angimazi lo muntu or ngathi ubhala umlando walomjita and uyabona ukuthi lento le uyithathile wayifunda grand maybe let's just take them back ukuthi inspiration for you namhlanje to post this position and you are a manager in this one of the biggest organizations because for us to grow from 0 to 330,000 even on YouTube bayazi abantu ukuthi what does that supposed to mean umuntu uyaya kuphele 5 years numbers few 50,000 inkinga you are the man behind the germs obviously coupled with the leader solely people who have contributed immensely to this great work of God that we are doing until this very day Sis Thuli both Thuli so we have a lot of individuals abakhona I don't want to single out about success abalesh babhaya abantu abala so ukuhlangana no Scheme wena the very first time inspiration and when you knew good no with conviction I don't have a doubt in my heart this man ngizospana naye one day
for sure it's a funny story actually so it was back in 2019 when I did my matric you were invited a Katlehong a Change Bible no not Assemblies of God eKatlehong lapha ekhoneni emchachos so you invited you pulled through I was in my matric here sigcwele iKatlehong lapha 2019 and you walk in with cameras and they saying the Scheme GP character and I'm like and then basilethela ibhandi into manje lizosmotivate ngithi there's no way and then you ascend to the stage and I think at that moment in that time I had a different perspective of you a different idea than when you walked in because the teachers were going crazy I think the teachers knew who you were. Some of the learners knew you had this identity to you, and I didn't know it. I mean, as a former Model C, I went to a former Model C school. So before ngiyofunde lokishini, and ngithe noma ngifike lokishini, there was this Scheme GP blueprint. And fast forward years later, when I was a news anchor at Galaxy Universal Network, one of the youngest news anchors at the time, broadcasting on the African continent, and there you were, gig interviewer, and then you invited me to come to the ground. What, hey, let's ngisi so na senzani la elokishini. Senzani let's ngisi less. And I think because you're really an activist at the time and still continuously are for gender-based violence and really femicide killings in our country, and I knew, Guti, you hold a certain blueprint that is going to allow me to ascend and propel within my career in the different all these spaces that I'm in, and you've allowed me to do that. And I knew then and there, from 2019 when we met at Galaxy Universal Network to this moment that we get to share this interview.
When we're talking about the spirit of discernment, Mawushola Umoya, I identified this man, and in as much as Gashasha was reciprocating because he had the very same conviction, ukuthi man, lomchita one day ngaspana naye. So mina ngibabhekile ngathi laba ba soft Model C konje ihlangana kanjani nami very rife on the edges. And then naye ukuze ahlangane nomuntu on a history and a past ehlangahlangene ngathi mina come and let's make history together. So from me to this young man and to South Africa, I wanna make this man a millionaire. And ngihlale ngithi mina from my mouth to God's ears.
Yes.
So sizongena ke dive in deep. Kahle siku-rings and bearings la.
Yeah, and buye jele, and I'm not from prison yet.
I know every time because le wengihleli namajita bhaya ngakhona. Ayiphumi lento engqondweni yami. This is rings and bearings and welcome to it. Mawuqeda ukuthi uqeda ulight TV. Ngihleli no leader Harmon uhlala umbone emavidweni so bayibuza abantu bano DVD yalo muntu Sun City kukhona lo muntu olokashoot Scheme obani all up behind the scenes this is the man who's cooking the storm and the magic mhlambe nawe uphethe a deep pocket and you're saying no I need to steal this young man he has did great justice into making sure that lento by steer in the right direction Harmon ngifuna sikhulume manje ngobungane nokukhula kwakho because uyiwele kunabantu abathi hayi amawele kunento eningi lot of time abanye abantu bafuna ukuthwala ngamawele so those are dynamics around issues amawele omunye amawele abayinhlanhla amawele ayangena elwandle ayahamba nazi ithombe zika Innocent noHarmony bala because bahlala baphikisana boyi2 every now and then bese uyangichazela kahle uba nomdala uba nomncane because there's something behind the issue yamawele
tata kunensomansomane ngamawele and so and I think I'll start it here, even before we get into. So I have an identical twin. Bathi lobo neqala umhlaba ngulomncinci. The one that was pushed out, or the one that was received first. In the English terms, they would say the firstborn. In the English term, is the lastborn. Lo ophume emva iba nguye omdala. That being Innocent. Uthethane ubhuti wami omdala. He was the last one to be received by the world. He was the last one that saw the sun. I was the first one that saw the sun, but I am also the youngest because in the making process, I was the last one made and I pushed Innocent wahlalela emva in the womb, that I was the one sitting closest to the exit where they were entering at the time. But that's where I get to exit as the last born, but ndizalwe kuqala.
Yeah.
Get
Okay.
that.
So the myth ke ema-twinini, because kunabantu ababelieve ukuthi ama-twin anenhlanhla.
For sure.
Ama-twin mawungangena elwandle, hey, ama-twin ayahamba.
Yeah.
Noma niyoswima. I want those moments because kunalezi zinto ezikhona. Lezi abantu abazimisayo.
Yeah.
Man, I get to spend time with you, and now I know how you operate, what makes you tick.
Tata, you know, I think we had our first trip in 2018 through Ntokozo Mwela. So we went to Durban for the first time. We were Mhlanga for a youth activation camp through the Future Shapers. And at that point, the first time we safike Lwandle, the water was very still, man. The waves were very, and for the first time, Tina sikhule kuthiwa iwele liyathathwa ngamanzi. Iwele liyakwazi ukuhlala ngaphansi kwamanzi, litye liphefumule lenze yonke into, as long as kungazukhala onozala ekhaya. They would have to understand that we carry a gift born as twins. And then it goes for how far you get to believe in these things. And kona hey, tati into yamawele inzima, man. Ayonto elula. So our first experience, I think in 2018 when we went to Durban, we were just outside Umhlanga by Beverly Hills Hotel, and we were just there and we were playing, and the current of the wave changed. And as it moved, remember, Tina, we know, sixalelwe ekhaya ukuba bantwana bam xa nizoya elwandle ningasondeli kakhulu ningangeni kuze kube nzulu. And we are thinking, what the hell? I mean, Durban, what? So I don't get to go to the ocean? What do you mean? But I think because sikhuliswe Tina ngutata or who was very cultural, very centered kuThixo, very centered in what he believed, right? So kukhona laa nto ekhaya besingonjwa thina besibethwe ekhaya. And it was because of discipline. So even when we went to Durban in 2018, we understood ingqeqesho yasekhaya uba yinto enjani. So obviously besilahlela imali eshayinayo. Sathatha irandi nerandi eshayinayo. Sagibisela phakathi. Sakhumbula uba hayi kwathiwa kanena akumelanga ibele, kwamele kufane nezuki ibe brown. Sakhangela i-5 bob. And just so that we get to, but Tema, at that point, I think even the people that we were with the Future Shapers, it was for the first time they experienced the current of the water to be that high. Even so, we'd play around with it, but we knew ba yingxaki. So we'd step on the stones until we get to the edge. As the water would be coming, and it was not waves. Abanye abantu bazothi, "Ah man, you're speaking about waves," and it was not that. But I think it was the dynamic and the power that we've been told. And omunye umuntu uzothi mhlambe sibona into engekhoyo ngoba saxalelwa. But I think you have to be in that moment to understand what a gift it is to be born with someone that we allow ourselves to shape shift. Thina sikhule intamo yomuntu siyilula. Uvuke uthi uvuke uthi ndilele kabuhlungu mani ngathi ngikhonekile. Kodwa iwele liyakwazi ufika likubambe.
Amawele for rent.
Uyayibona lonto. Abantu abaninzi, then you'd find that a lot of people saying amawele man khona amawele pha kwatata uBhela ngakulula. So sikhule silula abantu. We've had the hey manini into yamawele man. Hayi
manje wabona bowuyibhutshwa ke nto uyisoft nyana bewuthini mabakubiza ukuthi hoza.
That you don't. I think into yam. I think for me, understanding that there was a gift with me. And there was an incident that happened at Kaya and and I want us to really be fair and say that I don't think the generation yangoku understands the power and the beauty of having umzali okhathalayo. Umzali okhathalelayo, whether abazali bakho basachatile okanye abatshadanga, but the fact that you have parents that still care for their children, but the children don't recognize their parents because they can't do the things that the world expects parents to do for their children. Uba utata akakwazi ukuthenga isihlangu eso sifunayo sidurayo, akakwazi ukusa kwesi sikolo, akakuthengeli that expensive label that you want as a child, then you don't value them as a parent. Xa ukhuzwa wena ufuna ukumamela abantu bangaphandle, xa ukhuzwa ngumzali wakho umamela social media, and you forget as a child ukuba uyosoloko ungumntana noma ungaba mdala ube na 40 uyohlala ungumntana emzalini wakho, but we don't listen to them at a very young age. So then we miss these things. So even me being soft as a young boy was because I did not. There was something in me utata. So the moment was Ben Betwang tata, and I think I was playing with the hammer. So bekune 4-plate ekhaya. So i-4-plate oyaziyo in a glass. So ndijikelezisa le 4-plate endlini bebefaka izithombe. so bekabetha edongeni ba kuzongena isikhonkwane bazohenga isithombe. So ndathatha the hammer ndiloko ndijikelezisa kanje, and I'm having a conversation with my dad. It's an honest mistake, but andikhuze ndiqhubeke. And later did I realize uba I'd gotten so close. Yeah, ndaphula iglass ye-4-plate. At that point utata wanibetha. Ekunibetheni kwakhe utata, because he's angry, number 1, undikhuzile, number 2, andimamelanga, number 3, sekuphuke nansi iglass ye-4-plate. And you can imagine in the early 2000s, i-4-plate, it was not just a small. Yeah, come on. For me, obviously, my dad was like, I'm on Lenti corner, we can. But you then realize that I value having my father in my life. You know, even though the dynamics were a bit tricky for us, but we only realized how tricky those dynamics were as later, when life allowed us to grow up and to see the reality of our parents and the relationship and their marriage for what it was. But in that moment, so they're explaining it to me, that is I was saying things to him.
Spiritual.
And mtanam, and he immediately apologized. So after that, and then ndathi tata bengicela uxolo. And then I then say to him, tata kuzofuneka siye ecaweni. Knew nothing about church. Knew absolutely tata mna ndikhuliswe ekhaya manicawe bingayisiyonto ebaluleke kangako till that moment. Where in that moment in Betwang tata something yavuka kum yatsho ekhaya ukuba tata kufuneka siye ecaweni. And in that moment, utata, he narrates the story every now and again. Athi mntanam ubaba umazi ukhokho, and then they ask, ndithi kunecawe apha phezulu eSt Peter se-Anglican. Kanti utata omkhulu bekenecawe yase-Anglican emakhaya. So thina suka elibode mthatha. Utata omkhulu uNgqele bekhona icawe e-Anglican eyaqalwa ngutata omkhulu wami. So in that moment, those two worlds connected.
Yes.
And I can't explain it to this day ukuba ngizothi kwenzeka ntoni. Even if umuntu angabuza, naye utata akayazi. All we know was the message arrived, and we then continued with life.
So vandag, I think ngendlela so explore ngakhona le conversation, I want us to go deep in a sense that I know it's gonna anger some people. It might as well anger some gods because it's very deep, and it touched the subject. You raise people bekhule, and then they decide ukuthi bafuna ukwenza ngendlela abafuna ukwenza ngayo. Yes, a child right, child's act, child's protection, weak, child's everything.
For sure.
I do understand, but as abazali, you want nothing but the best.
For
There's
sure.
no way ungaba competition nengosi nani.
Injalo.
So we're not representing the young people, young adults, ama teenagers and all of that. Ngizokubuza ama questions ukuthi why egcineni kugcina kuba ngale ndlela. And I want to go deep ngendlela yokuthi bolokubukele, if they were to say to you namhlanje awusichazele ngendlela wabona kwenzakala ngayo, and bese so touch into sensitive issue of divorce. Abazali kuya kuyisikhathi, we don't have any right yokuthi siye da, but asike sicale nje emuva la ngiqale khona, because it is very important. Lento eseyiphilwa namhlanje, lento egijimayo nani yini lengaka mfo eyintwana ezincane, eyichere ezincane. Yonke into is going south, is taking a nosedive, wheels are coming off, the center is not holding, ending story.
Hey, tatinzima. So I think for me, I'll only based from the life that I've lived. My lived experiences alomhlaba. So my parents got divorced when was probably in grade 5, grade 4, grade 5. That's when my parents got divorced. But the journey leading to the divorce was one where ebekunzima, man. You know, when abazalba met from a perspective of love, and they were in love. And batibana behlala emakhaya, you're right? So they then come down to Johannesburg because utata ufumana umsebenzi. Utata ufumana umsebenzi, seke yasebenza, uzekile umama. So my mom is now officially a wife ekhaya, you know? And then in the life of their marriage, because utata ngumuntu wasemakhaya, insecurities start to become a thing, especially with my dad. And I think that I will not even just look at him alone and pull him out alone, but to say that most marriages have not worked out because of insecurities that were brought into the marriage by men. Otata have brought insecurities because abasazithembi, because they are now seeing other men live double the life that they are living, and they have access to the wife. Right? So into yenzekayo kukuba, and then now you end up accusing your wife for cheating, for doing all sorts of weird things, because wena kukhona lanto yakho yongazithembiyo ekhoyo, and in the midst of everything engazithembini kwakho, now inkosikazi le oyitshatileyo loses respect for you, and now they lash out kuwe njengomyeni. And the kids will only see the way that you act as the father. So hlabi impama.
Yes,
Yonke lento ivuswe intoni insecurity. Because utata bekengazithembi at some point in the relationship. And the wife loses respect for the husband. And in that moment, when she responds ngenye imini, ethi ya wena ngezinto ezincinci ucinga fanele uba ungubani, kwatsha kwavutha kacima, uqumbe njengomntu ongutata, uhlaba impama enye, the kids will only see the reaction, not what was said to you.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this entire thing for me, I think, for someone that has lived it, I stand on. I'm a child that says ndihleli apha nawe is because of everything that I've been through, everything that me and my siblings have been through, and how we've been able to then rise above the noise. Because kumbula, there will always be a side likamama. Umama uzothi bantwana bam kunje nanje nanje nanje. And then who is definitely wrong? Gutata. Because sibona bane wrong, gutata obethu mama. Kodwa mama wena awutsho uba yonke lento isukela ukuba uthe. Ekuthetheni kwakho kanje ubonakale unobani. These insecurities from men don't come from empty spaces.
Yeah.
It's because at the same time women can be over friendly sebetshadile. Bahleke nezinto ezingahlekisiyo from people that tata noma umuntu echade uyafunwa.
Yeah.
Noma umuntu echadile uyafunwa.
Yeah.
And if you as the married wife you don't have boundaries.
Yeah.
You know ba umyeni wami uyasela xa iselile ichomi zakhe zihenzi. Utata uzobona ichomi ihenzi ekubona ingathi wena ukhuzi uqumbela abani. Ayo chomi yakhe azoyiqumbela uqumbela inkosikazi yakhe. Would have boundaries njengomuntu so that singaze sifikele lapha angafunekanga sifikelele khona. Yeah, man, it was quite a journey, and I think my parents' divorce for me. Hey, man, I mean, I don't speak ill of my dad or anything. I never had a relationship with my father, at all.
That's deep, man.
At all, I never had a relationship with my dad because my mom was always right for a very long time, until you get to see perspective, and you get to then sit back and analyze it as a young man to say that maybe I was a bit too harsh. I did not know the whole story. I only saw the reaction.
Yes.
And that's where you then look at life, mirror it back to me, and to say that for all the mistakes that my dad has made, they were for me to learn, but my mom did not have to experience what she went through for me to learn. But unfortunately, she had to, for me to have hands-on experience. Ukuba ngumuntu oyindoda ochadileyo or who's in pursuit of marriage, uziphatha kanjani, umzi wakho ukhusela kanjani.
What an experience, what a journey. Harmony.
Yeah.
You know, ngiyahlala nawe mina sikhuluma, but sikhuluma into eziningi ukuyale. Ezinye zale zinto
For
lezi
sure.
ile wow moment. Ukuhamba njani,
Yes.
because mina ngikhuluma into yamanje, ubaba wakho sekajoyine waba yiwele lesi-3.
Yes.
Yini no i-2. So the way near i-3 amigos ngakhona.
Yes.
The way every time I would hear Harmony answering a phone and say, hey, Belelam, Belelam.
Yeah, man.
Ubaba wakhe ke manje ukuthi
Mtata
Belelam.
lo.
He's very strict, by the way, this young man. So mangiqala ngikhulume ngale hedge of fire around my life. So anyone who comes to the office, they understand. And sebaze bayenze ipeace nayo ukuthi no, you have to go through this, man. And I've given him so much power ukuthi abalance. Angakakhuluma into yasendlini. Ngikhuluma ngaye njengomuntu engisipana naye because kunale professional relationship official esiyaziyo sonke. So mawungena discipline ungena order, trouble is inevitable.
For
because
sure.
there are no gates, there's no filter, no systems in place. Abantu bafila ngathi asingathatha advantage. At the end of the day, mawuthi uyabheka nekiswaswa fela, you have killed time doing nothing because wonke umuntu bekeza, but mawuthi uyabheka konje, what can we point? We don't have nothing to show for it. So Harmony, now I don't want us to dwell much because ukhona utata and he understands. I mean, by the way, we seek for our consent masabantu. Now we speak responsibly because the conversation is well balanced. I'm sure none agree. No one is bashed, no one ekuthiwa uyaplaying your part. Kunabantu who are going through this now. I wanna know to Harmony, how did you come out? Because I want to understand the time and the moment
Yeah.
while you were going through
sure.
that thing and how it affected you. Because meluva uphuma uyeskele. Now bese uyotouch ukuthi utouch isabab.
Yeah.
Ufika kanjani elokishini makube
Sure.
utouch isabab.
Hey, Tata, man, you know, and for that is why I say that my life for me is a testimony for many others. Mina ngikhulele eMandela, abantu abayazi kahle ngeMandela. Ngisuka in the squatters eMandela. RGP yasekhaya yakhiwa disenza grade 2 or grade 3 most probably. Benibona uba kwakhiwa RDP yasekhaya. So I've lived a life. So for the way that I speak, it's because of opportunities my dad has allowed me to have. And because he's also been such a great advocate for education. Utata had always said, Bantwana bam, the best way to repay me is to make sure that you succeed. Kuyona yonke into eningazinceda ngayo ukuba niphumelele. And as much as we then look at Lampilo of the torment, the financial abuse, the emotional abuse, the verbal, the physical, it got messy. And Tata, you then realize ukuba the only way out apa kukuba bahlukana babantu apa. And if you ask me if there's a moment that I always say for me was a moment where I said, God, thank you, was the day my parents got divorced. Because my mom could be herself. My mom could be feminine all over again. She did not have to be so hard, so rigid. And umama zanga hlale Latina. Kuba khona, you know, so many women say, "Ba no ngihlelela abantwana bami, awuhlelelanga abantwana bakho, uhlelela ukuba le ndoda inemali. Uhlelela ukuba le ndoda iyakusupporta, uhlelela ukuba kunesithabathaba somzi." You can't imagine a life without the man that you live with because you are nothing without the man. That's what you've believed. Kodwa my mom chose different and she said, "Bantwana bam ndiyamthanda utatenu, nani futhi ndiyanthanda. I want what's best for you guys, but we can't continue like this." And umama chose at that point she's filing for divorce. When umama had nothing but a husband that took her from emakhaya, baze Gauteng bazokwakhela isapho eLicity. And in the midst of everything, so many things went wrong. So many things went wrong. And when things go wrong, you realize, if I don't exit, bekophuma ngecasket umama. Uba bingayisingomama ophuma ngecasket ngutata umuntu besobe simngcwabile. That's how toxic it became. But because you look at that, and I'm so glad that they did get divorced because I think at that point they could find themselves outside of each other. Umama then could wear his skinny jeans because there are men that are very traditional. Even in 2025, I don't want this to become a conversation just based on my life, but as much as all my experiences have mirrored how I receive and I challenge conversation to say that noma kuthiwa ufundiseke kangakanani mntanam, always understand the role of the man. Always understand the role. If uyakhetha ukutshata, understand the role and the submission that comes under marriage. And a lot of women marry men they can't submit to in any given point. Uchate into wena ngoba inemali. Uchate umuntu ngoba udrive antoni. But you can't submit to this man. So awuziphathi njengomfazi, so uchatile. Because there is nothing to submit to. There isn't even a God in this man to submit to. But umchatile and you are to bring life. Then when things start getting toxic, who do we blame as a society? Yeah. When you chose luxury, when you did not choose love, when you chose opulence, when you chose just the things zomhlaba. Because marriage for me, if we take it back, Tata, marriage was not just to overpopulate, but there's a biblical moment in that. Apha kuthiwa abantu ababini bayadibana and they shall become one. And when they do become one, they have to understand that ngusofa silahlane till death do us apart.
So the verse that says men must provide and the wifey you must
For
submit.
sure. Tata, and I don't understand how, like, as a man you must provide. But ubuhle bendoda back in the day bizinkomo zayo because there was power in that. Abafazi, and I'm so sorry to loosely say abafazi, but women would never have to go and work. They could never look at other men as option because bekeyazi uba utata asendlini unayo nje. Bekeziqhenya ngaloo nto. Athi utata kanangamsa, utata kaNkosiko, nazi inkomo esibayeni zikho. What else did she need when she was loved, protected, cared for? and bekuthiwa umuntu insika yekhaya umuntu bekethandaza bekuhlezi kungumama ekhumbuza everyone that there is so much power in being a woman, being feminine. But today, a lot of young men themselves have lost the identity of isidoda sabo.
Provision. Yeah.
Uyayibona lanto la provision ayisekho because nale conversation ka 50-50 kantoni nantoni, women have never had the idea of 50-50, and I can promise you yaqalwa indoda engaphangeliyo into ka 50-50. No, I can promise you. Because women are like kids.
Yeah.
Provide for them, love them,
Yeah.
care for them,
Yeah.
give them everything. But the moment when you start having more as the husband and you start wanting to have options outside of your marriage, uzoqala kakubonisa inkosikazi yakho uba nama can do what you're doing. And that's where it becomes toxic. So if you as a man, you don't have that identity, yokuba, the steps that I'm taking, if I'm marrying, if I'm dating, if I'm in pursuit, then this is it. This is apha ndiphelela khona. Then you have no reason pursuing someone if you don't see life without them. Iseyiphelile sekufike lapha kula old age.
Yes. Young men never seem to amaze me. That's big coming from a young man. So someone at home uqeda ukungena uyabuza ukuthi manje this man unangakhi this young
Hey
man?
tata, eminyaka.
Because he speaks izinto zabantu abadala. So when I speak of Harmony, I always say he is an old soul.
Yes.
So we have uSisithuli Seleka, and all the time Madlamini uhlala athi hey Harmony umuntu omdala man emncinci amncane ila my experiences. By the by, from humble beginnings wangena eyigele zesingamla
Yes.
wabuya wayongena ekasi. Ngifuna sikhulume ngale ya transition.
Oh.
Then maybe including all the negative significant events that happened.
Yes.
Utata athola into zakhe.
Yes.
Nayi semsemateksini sekwenzakala isibhicongo laphana.
Hey tata man, we've been blessed. We've been blessed, and I'm ndihlezi ndithi sisithethi sasekhaya. I'm the spokesperson sase ayikho into ezokwenzeka ekhaya ndingayithetheleli. Ayikho into ezokwenzeka ekhaya ndingayazi ndingayithetheleli. And I'm the voice of reason. If there is anything ndiyamamela mna. Kodwa kufika ixesha napho kumamela kungasancedi khona, but we have to act. So from primary school, utata efumana umsebenzi eGauteng, and wathi abantwana bami bazofunda eTown. Ndaqala ugrade 1 ndina 8 singayazi Afrikaans singaphumi. Safela ugrade 1 newele lami. Because utata wathi bantwana bami nizosazi esisingesi ngenkani. Le Afrikaans abathi nifunde nizoyifunda ngenkani, and uswazi belingadlali ke ekhaya utata bekalikhupha ibhanti ngoku ebetha. Because, and again tata, I think the fact that abangoku abantwana basabethwa because of so many things. So many parents have babotshwa izandla abazali. Abantwana siyageza singabantwana, and we must be very honest. Siyageza singabantwana, and we test our parents to the limit. And sifika to a point where, because once adolescence hits, see influencers ichomi, siboni ichomi uba zinantoni, nathi we start now testing how far we can take it with our parents. Kanti xa ufike kunamba rongo, ngcono kuphume wena mntanam kwam, ndishiyeke ndodwa ndithi andinamntana. Some parents get to that point. But back to my education. So ngifunde Germiston South, went to Dawnview High. Dawnview High, utata obviously in grade 9, uphelelwa ngumsebenzi. Utata, and uphela nje umsebenzi sekunzima. For my transition from grade 7 to grade 8 going to Dawnview High. Then xa kuphela umsebenzi katata, obviously it's those months man apha nawe ukhupha nale yokugqibela. Obviously, as a child, I did not notice. It was still cruising, very nice, and as usual.
Soft life.
Soft. Andizuthi ku soft man tata ndiphile lokishini. Kodwa utata mna there was never lack with my dad. There is never a up anzoti there was ever lack. The divorce of my parents, I think that's another thing we have to touch. There was so much lack because bebelwa bodwa. Belwa ngati. But let me finish this. To then say, when grade 9, I'm in Dawnview High, grade 10, I'm in Dawnview, grade 11, I'm in Dawnview, and this is the last stretch, ngoku. And I'm not the smartest, ngoku, but ndinayo lanto ye confidence, but my confidence was all over the place. I was very sure and I knew who I was, but bendili blank because suka man. Naifumana lando. Then I get to grade 11, I fail my grade 11. And utata needs to sit me down and say, mntanam, andikwazi ukuqhuba omnye unyaka. I'm in grade 11. I just failed grade 11. And I'm failing grade 11 because I was pursuing acting. I was now being in the industry. I was exposed to the industry. I'm now doing things. Sendinala bravado, ebona lando. And then I think me failing grade 11 was that back to reality moment. Utata athi mntanam kudala ndisokola ndingakwazi ukubhatala itransport. Ubuyibona. Bekunokufika ixesha apha itransport driver mingakwazi indishiye. Ithi imali ndithi andiphiwanga mali athi hayi ngene endlini athi shaya imoto. And that's when I realized about things were bad, right? But obviously then, grade 11 I failed. Then utata I can't do another grade 11 plus matric at town Nkosiko. Then ndithi enkosi tata kunangxaki. Ndithi ke ngoku ndizoyaphi athi ndiyofunda elokishini. Bear in mind uthi ndiyofunda elokishini. Iwele lam Innocent has been elokishini since grade 5.
Yeah.
No ndiva tata.
Yes.
Yeah, inzima man lento because iwele lam has been elokishini from grade 5. I've been in town from my entire life.
Nihlukene kanjani? Why the writing?
Yeah, that is why in the city, you know, our education system also, I'll forever say our education system should also recognize abantwana abane special needs. Abeko, they are not disabled. They are not in any way, but the way they retain information is very critical. Okay. We later found out that my identical twin brother has dyslexia. Amagama akhe wabona ngo left and right, ngo left no righty. Akudibani kahle. But at school when they always said it was a behavior problem. No, he's too loud. You know, he does not. And then they said
Mhlakaniphile that time. Yeah.
And it would blow how smart to Tetani. No. But because how he was receiving the information, he could not give us the solutions to show how smart he was. That is where uqhathaniswa kwamnewele became a problem because there came a point apha abantu besithi nali wele hlakaniphile kukhonjwa kum. Nali wele hlakaniphile uhlakaniphile uNkosiko. But they never realized that kwaye lo bangamboniyo hlakaniphe kangaka ephepheni was because he had a condition, and if his condition was something that was worked by, because remember all teachers are supposed to pick it up kusase early. And the fact of abantwana be special schools, they just take them to these schools. Even the teachers at special schools sometimes don't pay attention to these kids because they've written them off. You know, so sahlukana kanjalo no bhuti. And then wayofunde elokishini ndaqhubeka down. But kwaye man owele lam man I never got along newele. You know, because besiqhathaniswa kakhulu man by our parents. So that is why I don't know if I could write a book I would, but it would be all over because there's been so many events in my life that has contributed to the man that I am. I never had a relationship nobody. Kodwa besilala ebhedini enye ekamereni efanayo sivuka ngexesha elifanayo, but there was so much hate between the both of us because the world, our parents, put us in competition with one another. And for a very long time, I remember I would always make it a point to like figure report just to prove a point. Yeah, bentini. But that also came from a point of Innocent was such a great footballer. He was an athlete. But then even in that space, there was competition. I'm not the greatest of runners. I'm not the greatest in athletics, let alone soccer. Bendinkomo, utata bekandithengela soccer boots uba zinxitywe ngomnye umuntu egroundini. And you can imagine the kind of hurt. Like Utata loved us, even though he's a man of so many faults. Utata loved us. Utata bekethenga training boots as a training, athenge as a game. Israel Mall thina siyazi ngotata. Sazi izinto eziqhafuqhafu nje ngutata owameka sure. But there was a liking towards my mom. I took a lot of traits from my mom and dad. Ukuthanda kwami izinto and to be this bold and to understand ukuba xa ndingazithethelela akekho ozondithethelela. So that is how I became this young, passionate speaker, this young man that sees the world for not what it is, but because there are so many black and white rules that the system puts ahead of us. So, and before I even conclude the point, can we listen to our parents a bit more? Can mothers not speak ill of the fathers they are not with ebantwaneni? Xa usohlukene notata omntu, umntana kangendawo. umntana akangendawo sukhohlisa umntana noma kuthiwa limenemene kangakanani lo tata noma linyuru. Trust me, asanufaka abantwana in the middle of your divorce because you are creating a space for the children to hate. Have you ever had a child tata xa senihlukene kuba khona laa nto kuba tata umama uthe, and nditsho nge-attitude kamama ke ngoku andiyitsho njengomntana, kaloku anditsekuthiya uba wena unemali, wena unayo imali kaloku, and xa unemali wena uyitya namankazana, wena uyabheja apha ngaphandle, imali ayifiki apha kuthi. Xa khona itrip yaxelela utata akho uba kunetrip ezantontona. Laa mntana uya nge-attitude le athunywe ngayo, hayi uba uyageza lo mntana. You will write off your own child not because kugeza umntana kodwa yindlela axelelwe ngayo ngawe nobu-useless bakho njengomzali. Laa mntana yena knows not anything, wazi ezinto azixelelweyo. Nakuye utata athi la mama wenu wenza nje nanje wenza nje nanje, naye umntana xa ibona umama akhe athi wena nto. Akamazi lo mntana umama akhe, wazi izinto azixelelwe ngutata akhe. So parents play a very big role in children respecting their elders and understanding uba umuntu omdala yinto enjani. So if we as especially abantu parents that have separated, bayathanda ukusebenzisa abantwana as weapons to get more money, as weapons to get back to the dad or the mom. And tata, let me touch on this quickly. Yazi kubalekile ukuba sithi uba tata uhlukene nomama, lo mzi uhlala kuwo ngowabantwana, ayingowakho uba ufake unumber 2 ustepmother apha ekhaya.
Eqala ipolitiki.
No, tata, because I've seen so many kids rightfully mizi ekatata akhe lendlu kodwa kwafika ustepmother, wafika nabantwana, wasweleka utata, ngoku bahlukunyezwa kowabo ngumuntu ongenali kowabo, yena ungakazi wakhela bakhe abantwana. The same thing with mothers. Uba uyazazi uba indoda iye yahamba yakushiyela umzi, lo mzi ngowabantwana, ayingowakho uba uzise omnye utata azohlala emzini wabantwana. Ukusweleka kwakho lo tata xotha bakhe abantwana because rightfully ngowakhe naye umzi ngoba bekehleli nawo kodwa zange awakha, ngumzi katata lo. Ukushiyele wona uba nathi sibe nekhaya. Xa ngabe mama uzotshadwa ithi le ndoda ekutshathayo mayikuthengele umzi. Uba naye abe nelikwakhe. Hayi tata masithethe inyani. Masithethe inyani. Uba ubutshatile, uba apha kule office, masithi bekungumzi lo. Uba buhlala nomama nitshatile and you leave kushiye kumama apha. The day umama etshata, le ndoda emtshata mayomthengele wakho umzi. And uba kushiyeke wena tata ekhaya, awuzuzisa omnye umfazi apha. And tata, no matter how loving our step-parents can be, amazing human people, they can be amazing at times and they can be a lot of BS at times. But masithethe inyani singabantu, we don't come from a place of great legacy. Ayikho into ilifa lomntana, umntana alibona ifa lakhe liphila. Ligqitywa ngabantu. Ngoba usemncinci lo mntana akakwazi ukuzithethelela. Abanye bafakwa kwi-drugs zii-family members zabo ngoba befuna amafa wabantwana. Umntana bamfake eziyobisini ngenkani, bamenza ngathi hey tata zininzi izinto ezenzeka apha ngaphandle
lo mntwana lo.
But and when that happens tata, yes, the point of making sure, and trust me, I am in a very comfortable point in my life with love my dad dearly because he's pivoted and he took it. Tata man, indoda ecawe namhlanje. My mom is amazing, but we had to go through last season to understand izinto zokuba izinto zinje. Umuntu ndiva ndikhumsha mina cinga fanele bayilimi lamani lazi. Andive ndikhumsha athi uba hayi suka lo ayikho into ayaziyo. Ndithi ndikhumsha nje ndinje imali katata. And ndiyomthethelela noma kuthiwani. Owami utata. Noma umama nje kanjalo. Tata my ibizwa ngantoni le intelligence, khona le intelligence ekuthethwa ngayo, that emotional is from my mother. Umama tata had to take for the reasons siphila nje kunje kungenxa yela mfazi, and I owe her so much. There are moments in my life that I feel like a failure because I have not given her the life that she deserves, for everything that she's taken for us to exist, for us to live, for the things that I have today is because of my mother. There are things that I owe to my mother. There are things that I wish as young people were to understand, no matter what the world says, no matter getting that apartment, getting that car, kodwa man besaphila abazali bethu masibathandeni. Masibabonise uba ubuhlungu abagqithe kubo bathi uthi umama kum mntanam ukuzala kufana nokuzelula. Ndazelula ukuthi nibekho nize niphile nibe ngababantu eningabo. And I owe both my parents so much, no matter the wrongs and the rights and everything, but it's because they've understood. And ilento nditsho ukuba I speak today, I reason today because of my parents. I've seen the good and the bad. I don't just speak from privilege.
Yes. Kukhuluma umuntu omtsha and ukhohlwe something Harmony wathola an award eGauteng awikhumjani.
Yes, in 2019 I was number 1 Gauteng for public speaking.
Asikhulumi nje
Yeah.
kuba ngumuntu oyiphethe le nto. And we are not here, for ukuboza, but abanye abantu aba-understand ukuthi ma confident ngento yakho
Yeah.
bacabanga ukuthi ihamba ne-arrogance. Kanti it's just pure and not by sheer luck. Abantu bayasebenza bazisebenzela into zabo. So to see a young man or a young person mawuhleli ukula kule camera ngine show uthi yazi abazali abazala lo muntu banenhlanhla but uyasho naye ukuthi akakapheleli khona la kushota khona.
Yeah.
Harmony, I don't want to also let you go before ngiyongena kuwe because nawe umntwana intwana encane mangithi
Sure.
there's a bit of both. Unomuntu omdala ukwaphila before wabayikhehla une experience. I want us to talk about you nobufem nesandla
Yeah.
when you are in love, when you are saying ngifuna ukungena kumuntu manje,
Yeah.
talking about relationships ngiyokhuluma intwana
sure.
encane ukuthi ubu strict umuntu ugcoke sekukhuluma ngawe
Yeah.
because you're obsessed ngenye indlela.
Yeah,
Then later
yeah.
ngifuna sikhulume ngotata uyathandaza
Oh,
namhlanje
man.
uyayikhuza indaba yamahabli ngifuna siyithathe.
Oh, tata akayifuni uyibona ihappy bubble. Utsho kahle ntwana noma drugs zenu andiyifuni le nto leni nenzayo.
Wenza njani usuku lokungena?
Then uye wasibhaqa sibhizi ngehappy bubble wathandaza ubusuku bonke utata ebona umsi. Oh, I've never felt so bad in my life. Understanding that it's just dad, it's hubbly bubbly. Come on. But because, and I understand that I can't sit here and promote into endiyaziyo kwami noba inazo side effects zayo ezimbi, but utata kazi ngumuntu omdala. So mna I come from a lineage tata of man, submission is something that is greater that I think we are losing kancane na kancane. You know, and that is why provision is so important as a man. As a man having money, it's important, but have the money and back it up with some wisdom. Hamba nogcobo njengomuntu wesilisa. Ungahambi mawungahambelwa phambili imali ngoba unayo. Makube khona into egambela phambili mabe ngithixo. Makagcine tata. You know, when I speak about relationships, I always say that as a man you need to be firm. As a man, never lose your firmness. Because that's the only thing you have for legacy. Legacy, it's not the things that we create, but it's within our families. And the things then that we get to live for them, that becomes the greater part of legacy.
What are those things that your partner will never do?
Yo, hayi tata zona, yo. Yabona ke, yabona ngoku ndifake ekoneni. Yabona ke kulapha, yeah, bethunani in South Africa. I was never ready for this one. But tata, there's you will never call me out of my name.
Yeah.
No matter kwenzeka ntoni. Noma tata, it's that thing from now where I always say ndithi xa sithandana sithando someone I said I do to you or even before ndisithi I do.
Yeah.
You must submit. Lento yakudala yasemandulo tata bisenziwa yokuba a wife tata uyabona makuthiwa ngesiZulu oh yebo baba.
Yeah.
That carries so much weight.
Yeah.
For a man you can love them but without respect kufana nokuba umthandi.
Yeah.
That for me is respect.
Yeah.
When I say the tata man guqa ngedolo njengomfazi wamsela indoda yakhe iplate ebrayini. Tata, no man, I say this because that is where people take advantage. Bakubone nje uthuthuza wena njengomfazi womuntu, bekubone unice unjanjani, tata, the reason why, and I know I sound very old, but there's a way that you save umuntu otshate naye okanye umuntu isithembiso omaziyo azosifeza. Andithethela umuntu ongakafezi isithembiso okanye ombonayo nawe soza asifeze. Hayi suka. Ndithetha ngomuntu oqondileyo mna, umuntu ozimiseleyo ngawe nawe ozimiseleyo ngayo. Honor that person. Honor that person, tata, and they'll honor you back. Because we are losing this identity of No, man, culture is so old. It's so outdated. But in the outdatedness, the outdatedness of it is what gives it so much weight.
Yeah.
The fact that as a wife, ukwazi ukuguqa, umyeni wakho ahlamba izandla, ebuya emsebenzini, oh, what a blessing you are in your family, not for him alone. Abantwana bakho, the kind of warmth they will have is something that omnye will never understand. Uthi tata usuke emsebenzini, ekudala bebesebenza ezimine. There was a reason why omama would prepare amanzi endishini uba utata afake inyawo zakhe zimasaje ngoba bekuyiminende enzulu. But even in today's world,
But someone interprets that as great gender-based violence. Yoki into is GBVF.
Tata, that is why in the city, we can't go there. In this conversation, I think that we've misinformed so many. Our generation has been misinformed by a lot of this is patriarchy, this is toxic masculinity, this is feminine energy, this is ntontoni. Allow people to be divine in who they are. And tata ilento yokulawula. Nje as the head of the household, lawula kuvakala uba uthethile. But also be firm and be soft and be a gentleman in how you do it. And love with greater provision. Tata uzowuthenga umzi. Kodwa lo mzi wakho una respect because kwawena there is nothing in you as a man besides the money that you have. That is where it comes from. That is where it comes from. Inkosi, they were not kings because they were kings or because they were born, but it was because of the decisions they made that were firm.
Yeah.
Xa ndithe hayi nangoku.
Yeah. So manje ithekeni yakho ayivumelekanga kuba nabo male bestie.
Tata mayekwe le. No, mayekwe pelelam. No, you know, tata, you know, we've made our generation very fluid.
Yeah.
We've dumbed down culture for especially my generation. I'm grateful to my dad and the great men figures I've had in my life.
Yeah.
You know, Ontokozo Mwelase. There's been so many great people that I've had in my life where I get to look at the identity of saying that, Tata, man, xa utshatile utshate inkosikazi yakho. Inkosikazi yakho bihamba iyobika ingxaki kowenu. For so that the day ethatha decision kowenu kube kudala beyazi lento yokufihla ngamanyala nalento kuba as if inkosikazi yami inengxaki nami iyobika ekhaya bandifend immediately. You've not done a good job. Kuthi bantu kayindoda epheleleyo. Noma uyile entabeni wenza ntoni, but that does not make you a man in making proper decisions. Nalento sithembu tata, hey singazithetha zifike manje izinto ezi because I'm the tata andiyazi because having a male bestie for me or as a man having a female bestie is rhetorical. Benchate lantoni to begin with.
When I queen.
Nah, busiyapi because what you confide in your male bestie or what you confide in your female bestie are things that you should be confiding in your husband and wife. These are the kind of hard conversations that you need to have. You can't have conversations that are going to be imposed by someone who did not have the opportunity to understand the heat of the moment when we were clashing in that moment, Sando Sam. The moment you consult umuntu that does not understand what it means to walk a day in both of our lives will never give you a true reflection or an outcome or solution that will best benefit the both of us. That is why the divorce rate is so high, because people are being advised by abantu abangachatanga. Because we have so many people that don't understand ukuba abantwana kuze ekhaya libe prosperous tata likhulu ekhaya. Umama has to stand true in her feminine energy. Njengotata, stand true in your alpha energy, but recognize that there are women that have the alpha energy. And as a man,
we must acknowledge
go
that.
back
Yeah.
and submit to your wife because she'll change your life in ways that you'd never know. Remain the man. Make those tata. There are women in this world that, and I am not one with ancestors and kodwa sihambi sodwa singabantu.
Oh yeah.
There are people that are born where they have to make critical decisions. Critical decisions. You cannot, tata. I always say our country is besides the world is not ready for a time where women are leading households. But they've led battlefields thousands of years ago. but can still submit to the household.
Yes. Utata mayizohamba lento iTitanic ichayisa iceberg izosinka
Yes.
uye eMpumalanga.
Yay.
Maqeda ukuflopa la.
Hey, Tata, that is why I say, man, I've lived a life. And I thank you for, once again, this opportunity. And I think that there's so much to me. Utata, he left in grade 9. He went to start a business. Utata, uphuma emsebenzini, uphuma nezumbulu zemali. I'll not mention.
Amamitha. Yeah.
I'll not mention. Utata, uphuma nezumbulu zemali. He's obviously divorced with my mom. We are now living with someone else. And in that point, Utata makes a decision to uya emateksini uzokwenza long distance.
Yeah.
And then the journey starts. Ayothenga iQuantum, athenga iScourge, like the trailer. The last, the big trailer. He gets the trailer, he gets a registration with an association, and he says, "Bantwana bam, nanzi into zondiphilisa, ndisafuna ukusebenza mlungu ndizosebenza." In the midst of that, and 5 months down the line, 6 months down the line, Utata has one of the biggest accidents in Nelspruit. Just kula ndlela yabe busy andiyazi nje ngu-N bani.
N12.
N12. Utata itaxi yakhe, something happens, i-steering sibe ne-failure. I-steering sikulokhe.
Yes.
Ekulokheni kwaso ithi imoto. Xa yenza kanjalo iphume endleleni ihambe yokhwela umthi. Ibophe ibelinqinde linje.
You.
Many people in that point lost their lives. But my dad was not the driver at the point. Bekdrive utata.
Yeah.
Umntu wakhe bekatshintshana naye was sitting passenger.
Yeah.
So qhubeni kwakhe utata, then he's making the news. We don't know this, obviously. I mean, I was young. Not really young. I was naive to watch news, politics, anything. Kanti utata was all over the news at that point. Asiyazi thina londo. Uyayibona lona. Then in the moment xa kufika ama-paramedics, kufika amapolisa, they are now checking, because this coach is siyesawa naso. But ayisifikelanga phaa eteksini. Xa kuvulwa ibhegi, they find body parts. And bear in mind, I think that broke my dad. I think that was the one moment where he expected success to come in abundance. And remember, at this point, utata now usesibhedlele ntoni, but now this is the report. Xa ebuzwa esesibhedlele, they find literally zingalo zabantu, their arms, their legs, and these are in multiple bags. Kutsho uba lo mntu bekehamba notata, at some point uye andiyazi ndichaze ndithini babe ndizobeke senza ntoni. But utata uthi xa ebalisa kuthi bantwana bam nguThixo yedwa ndenze ndibe lapha. But in that moment my dad gets arrested. Culpable homicide. I'm in high school. Culpable homicide, utata, and he's going to, I think, Mpumalanga. He's having court cases. I had amazing teachers at the time. I had Dr. Litswenyi. Dr. Litswenyi was my EMS teacher in grade 9. And I had Dr. Kuch. He's now he had his doctorate, right? And doctor, then I was telling him, and Dr. Kuch, at that point, he was ready to start imoto ayomela utata because he was getting his doctorate in law, or something he was doing in law. And we always knew this, but he wanted to advocate for my dad. My teacher, Dr. Dr. Litswenyi, says to me, what do you need? And I say, and I'm in grade 9, and I say, I don't know. And then she's asking again, every day she's asking this question. And I then later say that my dad, they could expunge his culpable homicide, but we have to pay, I think, about 40,000 rand to a bail, but they are bahlisa that criminal Tony. The record will still remain, but so that he does not spend time in prison. And I forgot what they call that thing, but we had to pay 40,000. And so it up 40,000. I'm in grade 9. My stepmom has left. There are stepmothers in our parents' lives that come because it's a nice time. They have money. And these are things that we don't speak about. Our parents lose a sense of who they are. And part of the reason why my relationship with my dad was toxic was because I called him out on every decision he made. Utata uzundikhulisa uthi 1 ngo-2. Xa ndibuza wena 1 uthi ngo-4 njani. So there were so many dynamics even in that. But to cut the long story short, my teacher gave me that 40,000 rand in grade 9. In grade 9.
Pick up.
She gave me that 40,000 rand and utata wabuya kaya, and she then says, you don't have to pay it back. And to this day, I'm still...
Shout out.
Yeah, Tata. I've had teachers in my life that stepped up. In primary school, I had teachers, Miss Bollier stepped up. I had Miss Melania step up. I've had, I'm forgetting my drama teacher in grade 6 and 7. Yeah, I'm forgetting her name, but I've had teachers step up. I've had male teachers step up in my life and to show me way. And I think, again, because that I'm not willing to accept yet. And that is a conversation for another day, that there is something that I've been called for that is greater than me, that I think that I don't know what it is, but there's something that I carry that is for the world, and I'm not ready yet for the world to receive. And it could be an injustice to my success, even though that I speak and do so many great things with my life, have been afforded. Tata, I want to tell you this. Every flight I've been on, I've never paid a cent. My dad has never paid a cent. There's always been opportunities that have come my way because of my speaking abilities, whether I was emceeing outside of the country, whether I was speaking at the ministers' youth indabas that they would have across the country. So I've done amazing stuff. But and I'm only 25, by the way. I'm turning 26 in a couple of months, but it's happening. It's happening, and I can't wait to see what life has in store
Beginning
for me.
of greater things. As we're wrapping it up, Harmony, kunale last part, I'm interested. Yazi time alako, I want to speak of the now.
Yes.
The former, the past. We can no longer change that past. Let's influence the history together because sila for life. Time alako the day lintola ni chai habli because
Oh, Tata, no, Tata. Also, Tata, such a beautiful moment. Oh, it's a go habl bubble. Guys, like, trust me, we are a very fun family. So Tata, man, my dad is very strict. I'll leave it at that. Tata, he does not. I've been in entertainment my entire from grade 9. My first thing that I did was Rhythm City. So years later, I get introduced to Habli Babli because of the entertainment, the clubs. I'm emceeing in clubs. I'm emceeing. I'm doing this. But then later on, I pivot. Then I'm just in corporate now. So I'm a corporate MC. I just do that. But Habli Babli, Tata, afuna ukuyibona. He's still that close. Akafuna ukuyibona Habli Babli.
Bakangena uthini ngoba uzwa ngevoice wena makezana.
No, ndamva ngevi. Utata ngumuntu akakokoti nangoku utata ngene ekamereni yakho uthi kukwama apha. Yeah, kukwama apha. Ndithi kodwa tata, hey man, toxic man. Wemba nake utata wathandaza kwaze kwasa. Masiyeke apha.
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for tuning in. We love you with the love of the Lord. This is my son, one of my many sons. Harmony. We are flying to the future, getting into a world of the unknown. This is my right hand man. You'll be seeing a lot of these faces around together with the twin.
Yes.
Yeah, last number to learn. Big up to Itama, big up to you already. That's how we wrap it up, and we are signing off, and we are out until the next episode. Harmony Mpele, umanager Skim GP. Iyo kibosi yamle. Mani ngifuna ke senazi ngithola kuphi. Na ingwenye phethe zonke izinto. Salute. Till the next episode.